Hey, good morning friends. Today is Ramzan and today is a holiday as well. So I thought to make one very quick video of all the modifications I have done on this XUV300 W4 model. I'll just take you a very quick walkthrough, and later I'll just explain what and all I have done, from where I get it, how I order and where I fit it, right? So I'll just start what and all modification I have done in this car. So first, change my head bulbs from factory 55 watts to 100, and of course for this I have put a relay also. Then I actually use the fog which is not part of the W4, and then I just put a chrome grille front. See, again, I'm not pretty much a chrome guy, so I don't like too much chromy stuff, yeah. And then I have kept this is a GR LED which is very powerful, but it seems that this angle I need to switch to over here because it's not giving me the performance which I was expecting. You can check my other video which I have kept the same lights on my Ninja 650, and the performance is too good, right? Which is something I'm not getting right now on this XUV. There are two reasons, because you can see one obstacle over here, the pipe which I need to cut, and what I'm going to do, I'm not going to cut here so that the looks get spoiled. Instead of that, I'll just move this light over here and actually just moving here, which allow me to not to spoil the look and just cut a little bit over here. Yeah, number plate is something I need to change, which I'll do later. A part of that, yeah, this is the wheel cap which I have just installed, but as you can see, the back side I have did paint actually. They come with the silver, which I painted with the black. A part of that, I just put this sporty look, and then I have some like racing sports stickers. A part of that, what I have, I have this Mahindra, the sun protections, or whatever you call the sun shade protections. Okay, so this looks neat because it has a proper fits in this. A part of that, what I have done here is, this is one of the best and cheap mode which I prefer everyone to go for it. This is not even comes in W6, W8. This is very optional, which is LED. A part of that, I kept the rear camera, but let me just show you from the main system. Yeah, a part of this, I have this illuminates this XUV300, which looks pretty classy actually, I can say. And then, as you can see, I have this rubber pad covers, which is also part of the modifications. Then I have seat covers, very poor lights. Yeah, this is my seat covers. And then what I did, I just put here extra cushion, right, which comes with the plastic one, which looks very odd or very cheap. So this is also I did. Again guys, this video is pretty raw, right? I'm not going to spend much time on this. Yeah, this is one of the problem I always face in XUV, considering I'm an XUV500 owner. I have seen this in the Mahindra, most of the car, the door alignments get disturbed again. Yeah, so let me just show you quickly what I have done here. Same thing here, all this rubber proof, this extra cushions. Yeah, on the steering also I have the extra cushions over here, which is actually available everything on wall to wall. I'll share the links for this. Yeah, a part of that, what I have done, yeah, same seat covers, the brownie and all. And here is my Pioneer AVH5290. This is pretty neat and clear. Yeah, it supports the Android, it supports the Weblink as well. Let me show you quickly how Weblink works. Yeah, so here in my mobile, I'm just trying to open the Weblink host. As you can see, it's connecting. What is a Weblink user access simulate back button press to the phone. Okay, and I'm going to Pixel 2 my camera and just click on the Weblink. Yeah, so here you can see Weblink logo has came, which also allow you to play the YouTube videos, Zomatos, and some of the application. Basically it's nothing but is HTML5. Failed to load, try again. Okay, it's a trading videos. Just click home. Okay, maybe it's my network connectivity also the problem, considering, yeah, it's just not there. Let me just connect this, and I don't know what signal I'll get here, because considering I'm -2 parking, but let's see if I get something. Okay, it's basically the age. I doubt in this age I can play anything like videos. Yeah, basically I'll cover this in my next lengthy video. Yeah, I just wanted to show you how it is. So I just smartphone, I'll go back to my Android Auto, and that brings the Android Auto. And okay, so I'll talk a little bit about the setups, right? This is AVH5290, which supports Android, Weblink, and basic audio video. A part of that, I have the focal speaker over here with the component feature, and the backside I have the coaxial one, and then I do have the something woofer for Pioneer as well. Let me just show you the quick this thing. Let me just play from here. Let me play something. I'll go to my library, I go to download, I'll go to download. Let me just play some heavy. Yeah, so this particular part I will just cover it in the next video, right? What an all system, but I just wanted to give you walkthrough of what exactly I have setups and the price and everything. Yeah, so that's a very quick intro video. I'll cover next.